Hello friends, you are all welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you all how to make your own homemade liquid milk for your cake baking. So if it's something you're interested to watch, please sit back, relax and enjoy the video to the end. Welcome back, guys. These are the ingredients for the homemade milk. This is my powdered milk. You only need powdered milk, water, and your measurement cup. So this is my water here, and this one is my cup. This one here is ready-made liquid milk they sell in supermarket. All this ready-made liquid milk like Dano, Peak Milk, and the likes of it. Hope you understand. And then the other one is the powdered milk. The essence of this video is if you don't have, maybe probably you run out of liquid milk, like that's the store-bought one. In case you run out of it or you don't have it, this is how to make. This video explains how you can make your own homemade liquid milk, and trust me guys, it's super easy, and I think I would say it's also affordable as well. So whenever you run out of any liquid milk, you have another solution or another alternative milk that you can actually use for your cakes. Like I said, it's not difficult, it's something that is simple. Okay, so I'm going to set that the store-bought one aside, and then I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own homemade liquid milk. So like I said, the ingredients are just the milk, your powdered milk, and your water. So I'm going to teach you guys how to go about that right now. First of all, you pour your water in a cup. Now the recipe is just 1 cup of milk with 4 tablespoons of what powdered milk. Please note that your water should be warm so that it can be able to dissolve the milk. There are some powdered milk that actually take time to dissolve. Like this one now, it actually it do take some time to dissolve anyway. So make sure that you use 1 cup of water. If you're using this cup, make sure that anything liquid should stay on the line of that blue cup. If you're using that blue cup, make sure that anything liquid you're going to measure with it must not pass that line. If not, your measurement will be like extra. Do you understand? So that is it. I hope that part is clear. I hope that part is clear, guys. So that's for the measurement cup. Okay, because I do notice that a lot of bakers have this particular cup, and if it's excess, it's gonna affect your cake baking. So this is my powdered milk. Okay, so make sure that your water, has to be warm, not hot, not too hot, but warm. So since I've added 1 cup of warm water into my cup, I'm going to measure 4 tablespoons of powdered milk. Now, in case you don't understand how to measure with your tablespoons, I hope this video helps you to understand. This is a measurement spoon I am holding and just 1 tablespoon. So this is how to measure anything dry ingredients. Any recipe that requires for baking 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, this is how to measure it. Okay, so I've just added the 4 tablespoons of powdered milk into my warm water, and then you give it a stir properly. Make sure you stir it continuously until the whole milk has been dissolved. Like I said previously, there are some milk that do take time to dissolve. You understand why some, the moment you put inside the water, it just dissolved immediately. So it all depends on the brand that you like or the brand that you bought. The other milk is like I said, is the store-bought one that I normally use at times. So whichever one is convenient for me. At times I do with the homemade milk, at times I do with the store-bought one. But then it's very okay for you to have, know how to make this, because sometime last year there was scarcity of milk. Like we couldn't get the store-bought one. A lot of bakers was going for the homemade milk. So this is just me here trying to make you understand that just in case you run out of the store-bought milk, you can as well get this. You can as well prepare your own homemade milk. And trust me guys, it's very very simple. From the video you could tell that it's not hard at all. So please guys, I hope you got value from this video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And like this video, drop a nice comment. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribing to my channel. Is your way of supporting me on this channel. So I want to show you guys the thickness and the richness. Like, it's looking so thick and so rich. Can you see it guys? Can you see the thickness of this milk? So when you use the right recipe for this homemade milk, trust me, you're going to get it right. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and also subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me what you think about this video. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. And also thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing time while learning. If you have a question, please ask me in the comment section. Once again, thank you so much guys for watching.